So we have an Instant Pot. You could use a pressure cooker. And maybe Tina could tell us a little bit about what she's doing in there. Because she pre-made the sauce.
I pre-made the sauce. So I'm just warming it up now. Just to make sure that it's warming up to...
So what'd you put in your sauce since this got made at home? Because as you know, we're obviously not a kitchen and we're doing this in our meeting room.
It's like... I don't use measurements. So it's kind of by feel. So it's like a cup and a half of flour.
Cup and a half, okay.
A quarter cup oil.
Okay. What kind of oil?
I use vegetable oil.
Okay.
Okay. And then what you do is you're going to warm up the oil. Wait till it gets nice and hot. Then you're going to add your flour.
Okay.
And then you're going to swish it around to try and get all the lumps out.
Okay. So unlumpy it. Okay.
To unlump it. Okay. And then you're going to add some chili powder and water. So it's about I'll say 2 cups of water.
Okay.
And it just depends on how red you want your sauce to be.
Okay.
Okay, so I did add a little bit of cayenne pepper.
Ooh, yum.
Okay, just to give it just a little zip.
A little zip. Yeah, you can smell the zip when she poured it into the Instant Pot. And thanks to Sherry Wade for the loaner of the Instant Pot.
The Instant Pot.
And then this is all this stuff that Tina brought from home. Check that out. So that's our hot plate. And I think that we're going to put the enchiladas on here.
Yeah, we're going to roll it on here.
We're going to roll it on here.
Yeah. And we've got vegetables that we're going to put on after we're done with it.
Ooh, very exciting. Okay, well, we're going to stop taping and go to the next phase. Okay, so now what are you doing?
Just getting the rest of the things that we're going to put on after they come out.
So that's onion and is that cilantro?
Cilantro. And then we'll top it off with avocados.
Okay. And just think, where she's doing this, not even in her own kitchen, and she's got it all going down. And here's our corn tortillas for our enchiladas. Okay. Let's go see what she's doing over here. Okay, so she's starting the hot plate. Are you going to be sauteing?
Could you pass me the oil? I'm sorry.
Yeah, no.
Right over there.
Here we go. Here's the oil. We're so excited to have Tina cooking. Cannot believe we're doing this in the library. This is like blowing my mind. Okay, we'll check back in a few minutes.
We have rice, so.
Oh yeah, she had to make the rice at home because we couldn't pull that off here. So, I think.
What is the rice? We'll get it out right now.
Our rice is down there. Okay, we'll catch it in just a few more minutes for the next segment. Okay, so we're recording again. We're at the next phase. Tina's been using this hot plate and the skillet to heat up the oil. And then she's going to do something with these corn tortillas, but I have no idea what.
We're going to put them in there for a little bit, kind of toast it a little.
Toast it a little, okay.
Yep, and then they're going to go in the sauce.
Oh, okay.
And then from the sauce, they're going to go in here.
Okay. Wow.
And we're going to fill them with corn.
And see, this is the cheese that that was given to us. So we all got a little bit of cheese to take home. And so Tina said, well, I can make enchiladas with that. And we said, okay. All right, we'll come right back. Okay, so we've got our warm oil that's kind of bubbling, and then our tortillas bubbling. And we're warming up our enchilada sauce. It's taking a little longer.
Yep.
That looks pretty good. And then how do you determine when it's time to pull that corn tortilla out of the oil?
Before it toasts completely.
And what is it? Does that mean it turns color? Holy cow, look at that. It's bubbling. Look.
It's bubbling. Okay, cool.
Oh, wow, Tina, that works. We didn't even have it, like, it was just barely, like, it was on, like, saute. And I don't even think it's been 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay. So
wow.
Okay, so then, oops. Oh, I should have used that one. And then we're going to get this out of here.
Oh, this looks dangerous. Okay.
You stick that in there.
All right. Like we're like one of those professional kitchen shows where they have the overhead cameras and it looks like down onto the food.
Okay, then we're gonna try and get some of that off.
Okay.
And it's gonna get transferred over here.
Over here.
Okay.
And the cheese.
And then comes the cheese.
Oh,
since we want
Tina's very
cheese,
generous with the cheese. This
you're
is the
gonna roll
rolly
it.
part. Okay.
Okay.
I brought you
And then-
some roll of paper towels too. Behind you.
Yeah, behind me.
Okay, cool. Oh, look at
Okay.
that.
So let's do one more, and then we'll do a plate. We'll do a plate.
Check this out, guys. And look at, we even put some old butcher
Which
paper down.
we're glad we did, because
Yeah, I'm glad you have to splatter in a little bit.
And that was my fault. I kind of.
So I'm sure, and so like Tina was telling me, she has a completely like, you know, different setup in the actual kitchen. But I gotta tell you, you get a few things. I'm getting me an Instant Pot for Christmas, that's for darn sure. And look at how pretty all this is over here. Ooh, oh, and I don't even think I showed you guys the rice yet. Look at that rice! So she had to pre-make that because there's just no way to make this here at the library slash kitchen.
Slash kitchen. Okay, we'll do one more. Without when it's doing that, we'll put this one over here.
And how'd you make your rice, Tina?
You add a little bit of oil. I do mean a little bit, maybe 2 tablespoons of oil.
Okay.
And then about a cup and a half of rice.
Cup and a half of rice. And what kind of rice do you use?
I use a long grain.
Okay. Is that wild rice or just long grain rice, white rice?
Long grain white rice.
Okay. And what else do you do?
And then you're gonna toast it. You toast it, and
Oh,
once it
that's
gets
right, you
toasted,
toast it.
I
Okay.
add onion and bell pepper.
Okay. So is this a Spanish rice you made?
I guess you can call it.
Okay.
It's the way I like to eat it.
I looked up how to make Spanish rice, and it sounded like toasting the rice sounded
The
so
rice.
complicated.
You know, it's
I
not.
bought the stuff that was already made in a bag.
Make
But
myself
I
a
really
really
like
bad
making
bag.
stuff by, you know, all from scratch, or as scratch as you can. But I got intimidated by toasting the rice. I thought I'd burn it.
You cannot burn the rice. Well, yeah, you can burn it.
Yeah, I've burnt rice before.
If you don't watch it.
Yeah. I'm telling you,
don't want to,
burnt
you
rice
can-
does not taste great.
No. No.
No, I'm just learning how to be a better cook, and I've been following a lot of recipes, but they're hard, and I get intimidated easily. But I made enchiladas before, not meat enchiladas, but I made like cheese and vegetarian enchiladas, and those were really good. But again, I was too intimidated to make my own enchilada sauce like Tina here.
Yes, there's
So
different
I
ways
just-
of making your sauce.
I
That was
thought-
just an easier way,
Yeah.
easier, faster way
So
to
you
do
roll
it.
this up.
Okay.
More napkins.
My napkins.
And I'm not even gonna tell you how she opened up this can of olives because we'll all get fired.
Oh, let's put two because.
Okay, so now she's plating.
Okay, I'm gonna do that.
So you guys get an idea of what this looks like in the finished product.
Once it's done.
There's that beautiful rice. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Thank you so much for showing us this, Tina. This is really a treat.
It'll be fun. Okay, and then it depends. You like onions? You like olives?
I like olives. I like olives. No onions. I like cilantro. No avocado.
So we just.
So she tops it.
Well, actually, I sprinkle it on, but
Not even telling you again how she opened up that can of olives.
with a can opener.
Yeah, sure.
I didn't use my
We
teeth.
did. She didn't. I have to attest. She did not, thankfully, use her teeth. We have some cilantro,
Okay.
and for Lauren, that's it. We're
That's
off.
it.
We're gonna eat.
And
Bye. See you guys. Thank you.
Bye-bye.